Hello guys, in today's tutorial we're going to look at how to install custom fonts and use them in Figma. So as you know before, Figma has access to Google Fonts, and those are the basic fonts that you can find on Figma. And the other fonts that you can find apart from Google Fonts is fonts from your laptop, fonts that come with your laptop. But if you want to install custom fonts in Figma, you have to download those fonts first, and you install it on your PC, and then Figma can get it. But that's if you are using the Figma app. So let's take a look at an example. So this is the font that I want to download, Clash Display, that's the name of the font. So I want to download the font family. So you can get your font from anywhere. There's no one website that has all fonts that you might need. So you just have to do a Google search and get the font online. So I assume that you know how to download fonts by now. So I want to download this Clash Display font and install it on my PC so that I can use it on Figma. So I'm going to come to download font family. So I finished downloading it, so I'm just going to open the file location. So this is the font. So usually the font will be in a zipped folder. So you have to extract it out of the zip folder first before you can install it on your PC. So I have WinRAR. If you don't have WinRAR, you need to download WinRAR, or if you can just extract with your normal extract option. But I like to use WinRAR, which is an application that helps you to extract folders from a zip file. So I'm going to extract this into a folder. So this is the folder, and I'm going to open this. I'm going to open the font. So inside the font folder, you are going to see different type of fonts. So this is not always how it will be organized for every font. Some fonts are well organized, some fonts are not really organized, but it doesn't matter. All you need to get is the font that has the TTF or OTF. Even the web works, but there are some fonts that you will have all of them in a folder, not separated into the folders like this. You just have all of them together in a single folder. So but all you need to come to look for is the type, this column for type. You see through type font file. For OTF is ordinary open type font, right? But you can do open type, you can do true type, you can do web. So what I'm noticing here is that true type font has just one, right? And it comes with variables, but the open type font has multiple. It has all the font family. So I'm just going to install this one. So whichever one you install out of true type font or open type font, I think both works. So I'm just going to install both the open type and the true type font. So I'm going to select all like this, and I'm going to right click on it and click install. So if you can't find it there, go to show more options and you find install here. So I've already installed this once, but I'm going to install it again. So I'm just going to click on this and install everything. Then I'll come to this one, I'll install it again. So once I'm done installing it, all I have to do is to restart my Figma. So sometimes it can update itself, but sometimes you might not get it immediately. So you have to close Figma and reopen it so that you let it boot with your new font. So if I search for Clash Display, you can see it's showing new. That means it has automatically updated it, right? That's show you that this font is new on my PC, and I can get access to all the fonts family that I downloaded. So it's not every time too that you want to get the font that is going to come with all the font family. Sometimes there are some fonts that are premium, there is only one member of the family of the font family that you'll be able to get. But if you can get all the font family, then it's easy. You'll be able to really, install it and use it on Figma directly. So this is for the Figma app, if you have the Figma app installed on your PC. But for the web app now, so it has a little twist. So normally if you use the web app, you'll be able to use the normal Figma font family, I mean the Google font that Figma has access to. But for you to use custom fonts, you have to come to figma.com/downloads. I'm going to add the link in the description. So once you come to this page, you find this font installer. Then you download for your PC, either Mac OS or Windows. So once you download this, then you're going to install it. So after installing it, that's all you need to do. So once you finish installing it, you can just come back to Figma, to your Figma web, and reload the tab. So if you have Figma open, for example, so if I have my file opened, I can just easily open a Figma file to check for the font. So assuming I've opened that file before, on the tab, I just have to reload the tab, that's all, and I'll be able to find the font. Just like the way I told you that you might have to close Figma and reopen Figma for it to work. So it's the same way, right? It's the same way. So you can do the same for the web, and that is just all you have to do, and you'll be able to use custom fonts. And if you want to download custom fonts, just like I've said, you can search for it on Google, and you'll find so many websites that has fonts to offer. And if you are looking for one specifically, then you might have to do a little bit of search before you can get what you want. So let's check if I can find the Flash display font. So let's say your section, for example. So I'm just going to expand this so that it will be very bold. Then I'm going to come here and I'm going to search for Clash. Can you see? Clash display. Show me new. It means it's new on my PC. So that's it. That's how you install fonts, custom fonts on Figma. I mean, that's how you install custom fonts on your PC and use them on Figma. Yeah. So I will see you in the next video. If you have a question, you can ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Peace.